is Plantone, the smartest mini garden solution with only one mission: to keep your plants alive. With its smart lighting and the patent-pending auto watering system, Plantone is one product solution for anyone to grow herbs and flowers indoors easily. Fill the water tank, plant the seeds, plug it in, and you're good to go. Plantone consists of 4 main units: the light tower, 5 autopots, the floater unit, and the water tank. The autopots sit on the floater unit. As you fill the tank, the floating action creates an osmotic pressure, helping Plantone to distribute the same amount of water to plants no matter how much the tank is filled, so you can grow your plants without worrying about overwatering or underwatering. A full tank provides 30 days of water to your plants, but if you're going to be away for a while, you can overfill the tank for up to an extra 30 days. The water tank prevents unwanted evaporation, which helps Plantone use 85% less water compared to regular methods. Plants may require different amounts of water. By adjusting the intensity of water for each autopot separately, you can grow 5 different species at the same time. You can use 2 different size canopy supports for rather bushy or top-heavy plants. The light tower is retractable and compact for saving space. The single button on top lets you control the intensity of the light and switch between different light cycles. The Plantone mobile app lets you create custom light schedules and adjust the lights remotely. Plantone can measure the intensity of the light around it, and it can self-adjust to prevent any unnecessary power consumption. Besides the electrical components, Plantone Diversity is made out of recycled and biodegradable materials with stability and quality in mind. We've tried to make Plantone fun and easy to use while supporting a wide range of seeds for your growing experience. Culinary Pack contains herbs that you can use as fresh condiments in your kitchen for adding that extra flavor to your dishes. Health Pack contains herbs and flowers which we, as humans, have been using medicinally for thousands of years. Diversity Pack provides plants catering to your decorative needs by matching the color profile of a photograph that you provide using the Plantone mobile app. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to grow plants whenever and wherever they please.
Ever struggle to carry the coffee you need to survive the day and the water you actually need to, well, survive? Carrying separate bottles for your coffee and your water is annoying. So, we fixed it. Meet H2Joe. H2Joe holds 12 ounces of hot coffee and 12 ounces of cold water, all in one brilliantly designed bottle. Using a bit of engineering magic, we built H2Joe so you can sip your coffee and drink your water all from the same lid. Plus, H2Joe is easy to fill. Simply unscrew the stainless steel section, fill with your favorite coffee, and reattach. The chamber is double-walled and vacuum sealed to keep your hot coffee hot for up to 6 hours. Next, remove the lid, fill with cold water, and screw back on. The water compartment is triple insulated to keep your cold water cold for up to 8 hours. And of course, your H2Joe is 100% BPA free. When it's time for cleanup, feel free to throw H2Joe in the dishwasher or easily hand wash it. So whether you're commuting to work, jumping between calls, or simply powering through the day, H2Joe will keep you caffeinated and hydrated, no matter what. We'd love for you to back our campaign and be one of the first to enjoy the convenience of H2Joe. Your coffee and water in one bottle.
What if 20 minutes of low-intensity training could produce the same results as a 1-hour workout? With a balanced EMS system, training is quick, easy, and highly effective. EMS stands for Electrical Muscle Stimulation, an advanced technology that has previously only been available at expensive training facilities. At Balance, we created the first personal EMS system. With anaerobic exercise, the EMS sends impulses throughout the body, targeting specific muscle groups and causing them to contract at a certain frequency. Then a movement against that stimulation intensifies muscle growth. With aerobic exercise, The EMS strengthens the signal of the nervous system, causing the brain to sense muscle movement 3 to 5 times more intense. This technology allows anyone to fit a quick and effective workout into a busy schedule. Simply attach a power device. Choose your training mode in the app and select the parameter. During training, users are guided by videos in the app or just by feeling the impulse strength adjust. Users can follow the changes to know when to start, maintain, and finish movements. The Balance EMS quickly burns fat, builds muscle, and improves endurance, speed, and coordination, helping you reach your fitness goals. Carefully crafted using middle-frequency carrier wave technology, it is the world's safest portable EMS and gentle enough for senior therapy. The EMS can output 10 channels of electrical impulses independently, maximizing the number of muscle groups it can train at once, all while remaining small and lightweight. By making this technology available at a consumer level, we believe that Balance EMS can change the way people train all over the world.
How to be twice as smart. Focus is something that every one of us does. Most of us don't do as well as we could. We spend a third of our lives focusing at work. How well we do depends on it, yet we neglect it. Knowing that we focused is good, but it's not enough. We need to begin to understand how our mind can work better. Nobody is even thinking of using the most powerful part of our mind, our subconscious. With Foci, we want to change that. Foci is a biometric wearable that tracks your subconscious and helps you tune into deep focus. Clipped to your waist, the biometry captures your cognitive states as a stream of coloured orbs, inspired by Pixar's Inside Out, to help you visualize your mind and understand yourself better. This biometrics powers the AI Mind Coach, the closest thing to a real coach. It picks out mistakes you made and provides real-time advice to optimize your mental performance. You will not only know exactly when you lose focus, but also access techniques with easy-to-follow steps to make focus your second nature. We want Foci to help you get into what psychologists call flow, a state of deep focus where your subconscious empowers you to process information better.
Foci is based on 2 decades of new respiratory research which established how breathing patterns mirror subconscious states. We have built a small device that you can clip to the waist to track your breathing while you work. With machine learning, Foci learns your breathing characteristics and derives personal insight in real time to boost your focus.
Over the last few months, we worked with Cambridge Enterprise on the project. We alpha tested with student testers from Cambridge University. The results are very promising. Now we want to share this powerful technology with everyone. We want the Kickstarter community to help us shape what we are building as we build it. With your support, we can together help people better understand themselves and tap into their potential.